is Ben, and it's Tuesday night, so you know what that means. Time for another Bad Idea Bomb. Alright, big shout out to the Need to Fret Freely family on Facebook. I'm the Brickmaster there, and the Queen said that I could go ahead and start posting these on that page there too, so minions, do the bidding. Smash the subscribe, send us suggestions, comments, stuff and junk, alright?
Do it now.
Do it! Alright, so tonight's lovely, lovely outing, with a twist, is this Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout.
Which, in the interest of clarity, that is actually not a bad tasting beer. I would highly recommend you drink it.
Just by itself.
By itself.
Yeah, I know we've done a peanut butter beer before, but we've never done it like this, Ben.
Alright, and what we're dropping into that using our amazing split shot glass technology. You see this shot glass as a partition, and as you can see, we can put two different types of alcohol in it. So what we're dropping into the peanut butter is Deep Eddy Ruby Red Grapefruit Vodka.
What the fuck?
And it gets worse because then we add the Fireball.
What the fuck? Oh, this kind of technology, I feel like Oppenheimer with a nuclear bomb, dude.
I feel like you're cheating. Just saying.
Oh, God. Silencio, cameraman.
I have become death, the destroyer of worlds.
Kaboom.
Boom.
Cheaters. Yeah, go ahead. Chug it down.
Oh!
Nope.
Oh! What Florida grandma just felched in my mouth? Oh my God.
It started out like, oh, this was going to be a happy accident. Oh, look, that nice chocolate peanut butter kind of thing going down. I think we may have achieved a 10.
No.
And then the grapefruit and cinnamon hit. And oh my, it makes me want to slap a bitch. Which I did. Anyway.
Fuck you too, buddy. Oh, jumping. Now I've got the sweats.
The besties.
Now I've got the sweats. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I'm going to give that an... I'm going to go full on Meltzer, 8.75.
The Irish judge gives it 8.75. Actually, no. I'm going to give it, okay. There's the line for 9, and here's my toes just up over the line. It's just barely up over 9. I didn't have to catch it in my mouth like I did with the reigning and defending champion.
Oh,
but
look.
this is a fucking contender. This is fucking...
Oh, he's going straight up Star Trek scale. Warp 9.92.
Something like that. Yeah, dude. Holy fuck, I'm sweating.
So while he gets the vapors, we're going to give our weekly shout out to the boys over at Wrestle Talk.
Woohoo! Ollie.
Anyway, and then again, do our bidding. Smash the subscribe button. Do it now.
Send us suggestions now.
And get to the chopper.
Okay, now that this has completely gone off the rails. Until next week, people. Peace, you punk bitches.